masasabi mo makakauwi ka na after?
Finally.
Huh?
Take a rest.
Oh guys, so ano masasabi mo
Finally,
sa
take a
pilik
rest.
mata mo? Ano masasabi sa... Wow! Baka lumipad ka. Oh!
Parade ko, guys.
So, we're going to our date. 70, yeah. So, my mom, she's gonna go exercise, so she's walking. Anyways, so we're gonna be taking 2 flights. We have a stopover at Narita, Japan, and then from there we're gonna go to Manila. Boarding. It's like so hot, so I don't know how much about. Yeah, I was literally sweating while I was putting the carry-ons there. This is our first meal in the plane. So my sister got chicken and I got pork. It comes with salad and the dressing. There's miso soup, and then the hot meal, some fruits, salad, and then some soba noodles. That's what Angel's looks like. Oh, I think that's muscle.
Yeah, I don't know what I got.
Let me look. You got.
Oh.
Do you like it? It's cold. Yeah, and then they have like real cutlery, like not the plastic ones. Yeah, let's eat. Start with the salad. I'm gonna do a time lapse. Oh, it's so hard. Hey guys, here is a bar. Masarap, pero masarap. Yes, hindi mo pa natitikman.
I don't know what flavors this is. Oh, it's from Vancouver.
I've never heard of this brand.
Tea.
At this point, I was losing my mind. It's a 10-hour flight, so I'm just doing everything I could to keep myself occupied at this point. So, I put on a face mask. I look scary, like a ghost, but I didn't care. Everyone else was sleeping. It was just the flight attendant that could see me.
Eating again. So we have bread with steak and cheese. And I think it has some mayonnaise. And there's some yogurt and some apples and our beverage choice. Apple juice. Cheers. So we're at Starbucks. We're at Starbucks. First things first, we obviously gotta get Starbucks. They have donuts and cakes here.
It's giving
And like
croissants,
it's giving some wraps.
Dunkin'
I'll show you guys.
Matcha scones.
Size
And they have
My
keys.
sister was mad she didn't get a window on her windowsill. We finally arrived in Manila, reunited with her
Oh,
Lola.
magkasing ta- Farmer Angel. Gusto niya daw siya hihila.
Saka pa sa mo. Patay daw niya eh. Hilain mo lang yan.
Wow! Okay, wait. Meron isa! Hindi, nakuha ni Papa yun sa'yo. 1 out of 3. Nakahiya doon, nakahiya. So when you touch it, look what happens.
Wait, not yet.
Here.
Touch it. Yeah. So cool. Look at this.
Yan, nagyan pa.
Wow.
Eh, matatlo na ko.
Eh, paano tatlo? Ayun, no? Tama? Ba, ayun, no? Tatlo.
Angel, where is it? That's my dinner. Oh, kabili. Let's try this donut. I don't think it's chocolate inside. I don't know.
My sister and my Lola were on a mission to find taho because she's been craving it for like 2 days. But no one is naglalako because like it's really hot. And then so yeah, they're trying to like find taho.
Kasunbaan?
Ano natin? Chapel.
Bida? Ano mas masarap? Ay po. Ako 5 seconds. Okay.
Oh, may nabili ba kayo? Ay, nako. Wala man pala eh. Angel, oh. Thanks.
Hindi pa.
Nakabala ko konsel din. Halo. Madak bilang tu eh.
Nasa Changi po kami. Bye-bye.
Laki?
Yeah, wala siyang dress, mommy.
Walang bawas yung te?
Ang dami na napakyaw. How much? Hi, guys!
upuan, tapos table, tapos may paon pa, water, electric fan, ready na manalo. Food!
Sayang na mo.
Nanay, ano ba? Nanalo ka ba? Ayrona Gabriela, 2024. Ano, Reyna ng ano? Reyna ng halo-halo. Reyna ng halo-halo. I was in it. Ana? Bakit siya yun? Ano ba yan? Lumabas lahat ng tubig sa ilong mo. Uy, ulo niya baka mautog sa... Oo. Ayan, hinika na. Ayusin mo na may dress na. Kakatawa siya magbasa pagkain ako. Ano? Hindi ako alam. Bakit na? Nagano to? Studying na wala. Hindi naman tayo. Dance na ako. Yan, gawin mo na yung dance. Akala sa isip. Natinig ko. Kahit naman tayo. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Shake that. Shake that. Shake that for me. I still got some love deep inside of me. Which one did it go? One of you gotta be. Just shake your body and let's take a ride with me. Ride to me. I still got some love inside of me. When you know it's only open arms, you get me open. I'm so devoted. You get me open. Open arms, I'm so devoted to you, to you, to you. Oh my God, what is Lolo doing? I know this is bad, but please show me anyway. Please self-esteem anyway. You say, push me away, I'll be right here. Talaga lang Barbie, paano?
Paano? Pakita mo.
Mainit. Oh, wow. Ganyan. Bakit ma? Ano yung skin mo?
O, dadagdagan mo ano ko.
Ano?
Potato. Ano? Bakit ano tawag ko?
Yan, mga magagalang apo ni Violeta.
O, joke gala. Isa lang kumala.
Isa lang?
Isa lang. Kapag kasama ka lang
Ito, kauuwi lang nito sa Nevesia. Kala na nun eh.
Yung kapag kasama ko lang mga tropa pits. Na power pop girl.
Sino ka doon?
Yeah, no, buttercup.
Wow!
Buttercup. Kasi masama ugali. Hoy, dati na dati.
Mga kalaman.
Ito nga, ano yung beef Kasi mo? Ano? Hindi pa. Kaya mo ka, ma'am. Look at the egg. Tunggu.